Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told that trees grow faster and form wider rings in warm years, and grow more slowly and form narrower rings in cooler years. And we have a figure which is showing the ring width of a Siberian pine from 1500 to 2000. So first we're asked, what is the range of this function? The range is all the y values that the function can take. So we just have to find the minimum and the maximum. Because it's a continuous function, it'll hit all the points in between them. So the lowest y value is between this point and this point. I think it's this point right here. And the maximum is way up here. So the variables are, so the range is from this value, which is very, very close to 0. Let's call it 0.005, right? Just some very small number. Doesn't quite hit 0, but it's very, very close. Up to the y value of this point, which we can see is roughly 1.6. So the range is from 0.005 to 1.6 approximately. B, what does the graph tend to say about the temperature of the Earth, and does the graph reflect the volcanic eruptions of the mid-19th century? So this first point isn't really something you can just write down a specific answer. It's more interpretation of what we're seeing. So here, between 1500 and let's say 1900, we can see there's a lot of variability in the data, but it's not in any one particular direction, right? The average temperature in 1500 is about the same as it is in 1900, but it's not staying constant between them. It's going up and down and up and down and then back up again. And then in the last 100 years, we can see it's only gone up and to a much greater degree than we've seen in the previous 400 years. And then does the graph reflect the volcanic eruptions of the mid-19th century? Well, the mid-19th century is the 1800s, so that's from about here to here, maybe. And we can see that the average temperature is going down. So if the temperature is going down, that could reflect volcanic eruptions, which are known to lower the temperature of the Earth. But that's sort of up to interpretation. And you could say that this decrease isn't uncharacteristic of the function in general over this 400-year period where it's bouncing up and down and up and down. So I'm going to say yes, but you can certainly make the argument that the answer is no.